Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about parametric equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first derivative of x with respect to t, similar for y and z. So for this one, if we do first derivative of x with, with respect to t, that should be about cosine t minus number 2. First derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. This one, we have number 1. So that's why we have negative number 2. For this one, we have dy over dt, and that is about cosine t. And this one, we have dz over dt, so we have cosine t plus number 2. And now I will put this one gone here, cosine t gone here, and this one gone here. Now we need to expand this one. Now we simplify this one minus this one. So we have 3 cosine t to the power of 2, and we have 4 plus number 4, we have number 8. So we have the formula in here. So we have cosine t squared. Now I will put this one go to the right, and we have cosine t squared equals to 1 minus sine t squared. So I will put this one gone here, and now we have number 3 multiplied by number 1 and sine t squared. So number 8 and number 3, we have 11. Next, we can do about factorization by 11, and we have like this. So the square root of number 11 go outside. Or that should be like this. So we have the formula of this one. That is about elliptical function of second kind. So now we can apply the formula in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.